The Syma X400 Mini Drone is equipped with a high-definition camera that allows users to capture stunning aerial photos and videos, making it a great choice for both photography enthusiasts and beginners. With its user-friendly app control, the Syma X400 offers a variety of exciting features including flight path mode and gravity control, which add an interactive element to flying. This drone is designed with beginner-friendly features such as headless mode and altitude hold, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable flying experience for users of all ages. The Syma X400 can perform impressive stunts like full 360-degree flips and rolls, elevating the excitement of each flight session. Safety is a top priority with the Syma X400 as it includes low-voltage and overcurrent protection to ensure worry-free flights even in challenging conditions. With 2 modular batteries included, the Syma X400 provides extended flying time, allowing users to enjoy longer, uninterrupted aerial adventures.